Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how you can slow down a clip on your Premiere Pro application while editing a video. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, if you want to go ahead and slow down a clip, as you can see, I've already loaded up a footage. As you can see, it's a footage of me moonwalking. So if I want to go ahead and slow that down, all I'm going to do is basically on the footage which is on the timeline, I'm going to go ahead and right click. And finally, once I have done that, I am simply going to go ahead and click on speed duration. So once you have clicked on that, this small window will pop up, as you can see, and over here, as you can see, it says speed 100%. So you can either play around with the percentage or the duration of the footage. So if I want to, let's say, make it slower, so I could just make it 50% speed, and I can simply click on OK, and as you can see, it will take some time, and now it's gonna slow down. As you can see, the footage also became longer and it's going at a 50% speed, as you can clearly see. And that is simply how you can go ahead and slow down a clip onto your footage or on your Premiere Pro. So all you do is just right click on your footage, click on speed duration, and just play around with this. Or the duration, you can also go ahead and make the duration shorter, which will make it faster, or duration longer, which will make the clip slower. So that is simply how you can do it. If you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below and let me know. And if you haven't already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching.